Alright guys, welcome back. So here is that OnePlus 7T. Big difference from a couple months old OnePlus 7 Pro. I've been using this as my daily driver ever since actually it was launched, so really happy with the OnePlus 7 Pro. I can't wait to use this for the next couple of weeks and give my honest review on this device. Today what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be doing an unboxing and applying this case right here. Now this case is actually the silicone case. This is the first time they're actually doing this. There wasn't a silicone case for the OnePlus 7 Pro. If there was, I would have gone with it because I personally prefer silicone cases to their traditional rubber cases. They're easier to clean and they are much more durable, I find, than other cases that are, your typical plastic cases. So let's get into this. I'm really loving the phone so far, and before we begin, if you are planning on purchasing either the phone or the case, I'll leave my referral link down below so that way you can save money on your next purchase. It's not going to charge you anything extra, I just get the points, which helps me bring more stuff to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing. So let's get into the unboxing of this. I've done the unboxing of this one right here, the OnePlus 7T. Really excited about this phone and can't wait to test it out with the my usual daily driver, the OnePlus 7 Pro. There's a huge difference between both colors, as you can see right now, but we're going to get into that in the future videos. If you missed the unboxing for the OnePlus 7T, I'll leave it up here in the top right corner for you to check out, as well as in the description down below. So here is that silicone case for the OnePlus 7T, and this case is actually going for $29.95 on the US website, $39.95 on the Canadian website. So let's quickly unbox this. I actually got this from the OnePlus website right when I ordered the phone. No issues whatsoever from OnePlus so far. If you run into any issues with your OnePlus devices, whether it's their phones or your accessories, do leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on OnePlus as a company, because personally I haven't really had any issues with OnePlus. They've provided excellent customer service for every order I've placed with them. So to unbox this, there's two little tapes at the bottom right here, like 1 and 2. Now overall, this feels like a pretty premium packaging that OnePlus has gone with. And inside the packaging, all you get is your simple "Never Settle OnePlus" slogan, your OnePlus logo at the top. At the back, there's nothing really changed on here except for what color this is, as well as your instructions manual. I'm not sure if people don't know how to install these cases, but it's showcasing, it's telling you how to do it. Step 1, step 2, really simple. You're gonna go from your left, and then once you have your left side in, you just use this and you just snap it in with your right side. Let's take a look at the case overall. As what they're saying, according to the website, it's tailor-made. Obviously it's going to be the best case out on the market right now when it comes to your OnePlus 7T. It's going to be designed specifically for that model, and it's coming straight from OnePlus. So let's take a look at this. At the back is your simple silicone case. There is a simple OnePlus logo up here, and that's it. Nothing else on the sides. And on the inside, that's what I personally like about this case. I love what OnePlus has done. What you typically find in other case manufacturers is they'll leave it either rubberized inside or silicone. Now, it's happened to me where dust particles have gotten inside, those ridges. And what's happened with one of my phones is actually scratched the back of my phone when those dust particles have gotten in. And that is why I typically go for cases that have this plush material on the inside, similar to this, D brand grip case that I have over here for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Same thing right here, right? So there isn't any particles going in there and getting trapped in those ridges. So definitely a huge plus. It's going to save you and your frosted glass area up here. So let's take the free case off and let's put this in. So like the instruction said, we're going to come in from the left side. So once you have your left side in, all you're going to do is you're going to simply just snap it in like that. Okay, and you'll see it's taken out over here. We'll snap it into this side as well. That's it. Very simple. I love these cases. This might appear orange on your screen, but it's actually a red color. It's not a dark red. It's, I would say, like a light red color that they have. Let's take a look from the back. So from the back, you're getting your OnePlus logo and your precision cut for your cameras. So that means there's not going to be any issues when you are using 3 camera systems here, you know, as well as with the flash. On the right side, you're getting your slider for ring, vibrate, and silent, similar to here. I'll show you over here on my OnePlus 7 Pro. Vibrate, silent, vibrate, ring. So at the bottom of the case, it's a very simple design for the cutouts. You get your speaker cutout, your USB-C cutout, and I think this is for the networking portion. And on the left side, let's take a look, is your volume rocker, and same thing at the top, your secondary network cutouts. So overall, it's feeling a little bit better when it comes to, you know, grip for the case itself. It's a little bit better than the one that comes out of the box. Is pretty good. I'm impressed, and I really like that OnePlus includes it in the box. It's, you know, just like an extra, a freebie that they provide you. Like I always mention, if you ever buy a case and it doesn't deliver on time, you want to use your phone. So, you know, it's a great addition out of the box that you don't have to worry about that. Now, the buttons feel pretty tactile. They're not hard to press like on this case right here, where the buttons feel like, you know, you gotta press hard to use the buttons. Overall, it feels really good in the hand. The grip is decent. I'm not gonna say the grip is the best. So if you're comparing with this case right here, I would say the grip at the back of this case right here is much better than the grip on the back of this here. However, when we're talking on the sides of the phone case, this is just the worst design ever, and you're gonna hear about this in the review for the OnePlus 7T. I don't know why they went with this. I think it's just a complete waste of a case, because this is really slippery for me. So I would not use this. To be honest with you, like, I'll compare to what the 7 Pro has. It's clear. So the grip is much better on the sides to this. This is just like frosted. I think they want to go for the whole frosted design, that if it starts from the back, you know, it's going to cover from the left and the right. But this is very slippery compared to the last version of it. But definitely, so if you're comparing grip for the back, this one takes the win. But for the sides, this case obviously is much better than the free case that comes out of the box. So here is a quick unboxing, quick application, and a very quick review of this case. The comparison between these two devices is coming out. I know a couple people have messaged me on Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave my Twitter and Instagram right here on the bottom left, so you can take a look at it and hit me up on there, comparing these two devices, because they're very similar, and this one is a little bit cheaper, but there's a huge difference between both of them. So that review is coming out, and if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But overall, this case is pretty good. For the price, even better. It's a little bit expensive compared to what's on the market, but, you know, dollar for dollar, I do recommend this case better than the other ones that are on the market as of right now. It's a simple silicone case, and silicone is much easier to clean out than, you know, your typical rubber cases. And it's a, I would say, like a matte color, not a clear color like this. Here is the case, and comparing the two devices, very similar. Can't wait to test them both out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this case right here in the comment section down below. And as always, you know, we can't forget the sandstone case. This will be the third video that I do for the sandstone case. I've done it for this one and the one before that one, for the 6T, the 7 Pro, and now the 7T. So can't wait to test that out. I've always loved the sandstone case that OnePlus releases. Here's that sandstone case available on the OnePlus website. It's about $5 cheaper. I've loved this. I've used this for 2 generations before, the 7 Pro as well as the 6T. So I can't wait to do the unboxing, application, and review of this case compared to this one. I haven't even looked inside what's inside of this case, or even on the website, so it's gonna be my first honest impressions of this case, and gonna compare between, you know, which one's better, this one or the silicone case. As always, I'll leave a link for both of these cases down below, as well as my personalized referral link down below for you to check out and save money on any of these cases, as well as on your device. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it, and there's more great content coming up. So if you haven't done so already, subscribe and share this video on your social media channels, and I can't wait to bring you more videos. As always, thank you for watching. Goodbye.